Second chapter, addition up to 20. Warm up. What is this one? Count these things in your school bag. You have to count. See the picture. The pencil, eraser, compass, sharpener, book and crayon. Here it is, how many pencils are here? Only one. Eraser, one. Compass box, one. Sharpener, one. Book, one. And crayon is also one. What we did this one? We did this one. We are doing this one what? Adding. How many pencils in your bag? Only one. How many erasers in your bag? That is only one. Like this you are counting. Counting means what? That is the addition. Two numbers, two or more things you are adding. Look ahead. What you are learning here? Introduction to addition. What this one? Plus. This is a plus symbol. Sleeping line and standing line. Addition using the number strip. You are using the number strip. Addition by counting forward. We are counting the forward number. Vertical addition. Horizontal addition. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. Story sums and properties of addition. My way ahead. My way ahead means here it is Azhar, Fabina, Manjit and Revati are at a beach. They are in the beach at beach. So they are playing and they are taking the things in a beach to play. Yes, no, ball is there. See, bags also is there. Boats also is there. And crabs also is there. Water. So they are playing at beach. Now we have to count that what? Count and write how many of the following things are there. How many? Write. Count and write how many of the following things are there. See, crab. Where is the crab in this scene? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 crabs are at the beach. See, you have to write down 3. Boat. How many boats? See here, 1 and 2. So, 2 boats. We have to write down 2 boats. Now bags. They are taking the bags. They are what they are keeping inside? Snacks, no? As. So how many? Count this one. 1, 2. And where it is another? Just see it is there or not. 3 and 4. 4 bags. Okay, now ball. They are showing the ball. How many balls? We have to count and write. So, see this one in this scene. How many balls are seeing? See, only 1 ball is there. So, we have to write down 1. Now, we will move on. Introduction of addition. Introduction to addition. Addition what? Addition means combining. We are combining 2 or more things together and see you are combining. See 1, 2, 3. How many you are combining? No. So finding how many in all. We are finding how many in all. Crabs how many? There are 2. For example, when 3 and 2 are combining, when 3 and 2 are combined, then what? Or added, combined or added, it is equal to 5. It is equal to 5. 5 is called the sum. We are calling that is the sum or total. Sum or a total. When we are adding 3 and 2. 3, you hold your 3 fingers and again open the 2 fingers. How many? that is a 5. The answer is what? That is a sum or total of what? Total of 3 and 2 put together. Adding means what? Put together. The symbol used for addition is plus. We read this symbol as plus. See, slipping line and standing line, it is what? What is this one? Slipping and standing line? That is a addition. We are calling this is a plus. See, here it's the bits 1, 2, 3, 3. What they told? 3 and 2. So again and means addition, 2 bits. Now we are counting 1 to all together. We are counting together. Here it is 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits are here. So, here when we put 3 and 2 together, we get 5. In other words, when we add 3 and 2, we get 5 as the sum. As what? Sum. Yes, no? We write this as 2 plus. What symbol this one? Addition. We are calling this one plus. The 3 plus 2. We write this as 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now try this. Now we are trying this. Here it is how many boogies? 1, 2. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are here, 4 are here. Together 2 plus 4, that is what? 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many boogies? 6. If you are adding 2 things and more than, that is what? Addition. 2 plus 4, that is a 6. Here it is how many flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. And here 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together that is a 8. Now you will see equal to how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Now bangles. See the bangles. How many bangles here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus. Then here 1, 2, 2. The total together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us see. The 6 bangles are here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sum is, that is a 6. The answer is 6. 2 plus, that is a 4 plus 2, that is a 6. Okay. Now we are learning addition using the number strip. Number strip we are using. What is the number strip? The number strip 0 to 10. We are making a line and this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What this one? This is a number strip. In number strip, we are adding the numbers. So, first we have to move on. What is that one? The frog is there. That frog jumping to the first, that is a 5, and after that is a moving the 3 step forward. So, now the frog is jumped to directly 5. What they told? 5 plus 3. Now the frog is jumped to 5. Again, what? That is a plus 3. Plus 3 means you have to move 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? What he get? That is a 8. 5 plus 3, that is a 8. 5 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 5 afterwards, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is correct. So we have to write down here 8. Now afterwards what happened? Afterwards, it is moving 5 steps. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 9. Yes, the answer is correct. So, how many steps that one move? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it? So, the 4 plus 5, that is a 9. 4 in the mind, 5 in the hand. 4 afterwards, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is correct. Now we will move on the third. What is that one third? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means that is a 3. Shall we get this one answer? Now we will find out. So first jump to the second place. That is 2 and afterwards keep one step is moving. So one step you have to forward. The answer is 3. Yes, we got this one answer 3. So now we will move on fourth. What is fourth? That is a 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Shall we find out the answer? Yes, we will find out. First, the frog jumped to 6th place. Where is the 6? This is a 6? No. This is a 6? No. Where? So, the frog is jumping to the 6th place and afterwards it is a moving 2. Moving 2, that is a forward. So, 1 and 2. The answer is 8. Correct? 6 in the mind, 2 in the hand, 6 afterwards, 7 and 8. The answer is 8. That is correct. Now we will move on 5th. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Plus means we are adding together all total sum. So first frog jump to 4th place. That is 4. The number 4 and afterwards it is a moving on one step. That is a 5. So the answer is 5. The moving one step. The answer is 5. 4 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 4 afterwards 5. So 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Only one place is moving. Yes, no? Now we will move on. This is 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. The frog is jumping 1 first. Whatever you are telling first, that means directly jump to that place. And how much steps there it is moving? 7. 7 steps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means that is an 8. Now we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, no? The answer is what? 8. The moving cut is a 7 step. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 7, that is what? 8. Now last one, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Okay, the frog is directly jumped to second, that is a 2. And again it is a moving step by step, that is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 7. Wow, how many steps there the frog is now? That is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 7. 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, 5 in the hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. What is this one? These are number strip. We are using the number strip for the addition. Got this in part? So you have to write down in the book. Okay. Now we will move on. Exercise 5. Okay. Addition using a number strip. Addition using the number strip. Now we are using the number strip. Okay. Let us add 2 and 5 using the number strip. What is the number strip? See, 0 to 10. What this one? Number strip. So, start by jumping to the first number. Here it is a 2 and from that the number jump 5 steps forward. Forward means that addition. Forward means addition. The frog is jumping. There here it is a 2 and 5. First frog is jump 2. That is a second place. That is a 2. And afterwards 5. It is a jump 5 steps forward. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 7. Where do we reach? Where do we reach? We reach 7. So, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, use the number strip and add 3 and 6. Now, use the number strip and add 3 and 6. 3 and 6, that is a 9. Yes, no? Now we will do in the number strip. This is the number strip 0 to 10. The frog is jumping first 3, then directly he is jumping to 3, and afterwards the steps of 6 steps forward. We have to move forward. Forward means addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The answer is 9. The answer is what? The answer is 9. So, we have to write down 9. My practice time 1. My practice time 1. See here, count and write. We have to count and write. First, 3, 1, 2, 3 fish are there. Add 1. Then that is a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 1, that is a 4. The answer is 4. 3 plus 1, that is a 4. Now, how many frogs are here? B1. See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 frogs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 4 plus 5. How much? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. Okay, now crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crabs plus, that is addition, and again 2 crabs, 1 and 2. All together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. Now octopus. D1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Addition, adding 1, 2. Then how much? 6. 2 all together. All. This is a 6 means that is a sum. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The answer is 6. Now we will move on. Add using the number strip. We are using the number strip. See here it is a number strip are there. We have to use. First one 4 plus 5. First we have to jump 4. The frog is jumping first 4. Whatever the first is there, no, we have to directly jump there 4. And afterwards 5 steps forward. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 9. So 4 plus 5, 9. Now B1, 2 plus 4. First you have to jump 2 and afterwards you have to step, that is a 4. You have to forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 6. 2 plus 4, that is a 6. 2 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 2 afterwards, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1 plus 4. The C1, 1 plus 4. We have to jump first one and afterwards we have to forward. That is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps you are forward. That is answer 5. So 5. 1 plus 4, 5. D1, 3 plus 3. That is 6. Now we will see. We have to direct jump to 6 and we have to move on. That is a forward 3 steps. 1 step, 2 steps and 3 steps. The answer is 6. 3 plus 3, that is a 6. Now E1, A2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, that is a 10. We will see this one answer is correct or not. Okay, first we have to jump 2 and afterwards we have to move on 8 steps. Okay, forward, that is we have to move 8 forward, 8 steps forward. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, that is a 1. We are moving 8 steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The answer is 10. 2 plus 8, the answer is 10. Okay, bye.